Hello friends, good morning everyone. Welcome to Educational Wing. Let's fly with success. Today is 23rd November 2020. This is our current affairs session. I am Sujit Kumar Mishra, your friend and mentor here to discuss and analyze today's current affairs. It is very much helpful for all competitive examination. So try to watch the session till end for your better knowledge and preparation. And because current affair plays an important role in all competitive exam, so try to watch the session till end. Okay, and those who first visit Educational Wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Let's proceed. This was our previous day questions. We have to answer it first. Our first question was Barclays projects India's GDP to contract by how much percentage? -8%, -6.4%, -9%, or option D -10%. The correct answer here is option B -6.4%. Recently, Barclays has revised down its GDP forecast for India in the current fiscal year 2020 and 21 to -6.4% from the earliest estimated -6%. Okay, recently estimated, the current estimate is -6.4%. Our second question was online learning initiative implemented in which state? Bihar, Maharashtra, Odisha, or option D Goa? The answer here is option B Maharashtra, because in Maharashtra an online learning initiative is being implemented for the ashram school for the academic session 2020-21. Okay, Maharashtra is in news. The capital of Maharashtra is Mumbai. Chief Minister is Uddhav Thackeray, and Bhagat Singh Koshyari is the governor of Maharashtra. I hope you got the facts also now. So proceed towards today's first question. First question of the today's session is Ashok Kumar appointed as new Director General of Police of which state? Uttarakhand, Odisha, Bihar, or option D Chhattisgarh? The correct answer here is option A Uttarakhand. Recently, Ashok Kumar appointed as the new DGP of Uttarakhand. You can see here the image of Ashok Kumar. Uttarakhand is in news. The capital of Uttarakhand is, there is two capital in Uttarakhand. Dehradun is the winter capital. Garrison is the summer capital. Trivendra Singh Rawat is the Chief Minister of Uttarakhand, and Baby Rani Moria is the Governor of Uttarakhand. I hope you got the facts also now. Next question. Who has launched Har Ghar Jal Yojana? Prakash Javadekar, Amit Shah, Narendra Modi, or option D Rajnath Singh? The correct answer here is Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recently, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Har Ghar Nal Yojana for Sonbhadra and Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. It is launched for UP, Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is news. The capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister is Yogi Adityanath, and Anandiben Patel is the Governor of Uttar Pradesh. Okay. Next question. With which country has Taiwan signed a pact to establish annual economic talks for 5 years? Japan, USA, Australia, or option D none of these? The correct answer here is USA. Recently, the US and Taiwan signed a pact to establish annual economic talks for 5 years. Okay, for 5 years. US is in news. The capital of US is Washington DC. Currency is US dollar. And recently, the presidential election is won by Joe Biden. Okay. Next question. Leena Acharya passed away. She was related to which field? Acting, politics, journalism, or option D sports? The correct answer here is option A acting. Recently, the popular television actor Leena Acharya passed away on November 21 in Delhi. Okay. Next question. Question number 5. How many Bollywood films have been nominated for AACTA? 2, 3, 4, or 5? The answer here is 3. So option B is correct here. The 3 Bollywood films, Thappad, Chapak, and Sukhmangal Jada Savdhan, these 3 films have been nominated for AACTA. AACTA stands for Australian Academy of Cinema and Television Arts Award. Remember, Australian Academy of Cinema and Television Arts Award. Okay, I hope you got the answer now. Next question. Agastya Jaiswal of which city has claimed himself to be the first Indian student to complete the graduation at the young age? Hyderabad, Delhi, Chennai, or option D, Kolkata? The correct answer here is Hyderabad. He belongs to Hyderabad. Recently, the Hyderabad boy Augusta Jaiswal has claimed himself to be the first Indian student to complete his graduation at the young age or at the age of 14. He is only 14. You can see here the brilliant boy Agastya Jaiswal. Okay. Next question. Maha Awas Yojana started in which state? Question number 7. Jharkhand, Bihar, West Bengal, or option D, Maharashtra? The correct answer here is option D, Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, recently Maha Awas Yojana started. About 8,22,000 houses will be built within 100 days within the scheme. In 100 days, about 8,22,000 house will be built by the Maharashtra government. Okay. Next question. Question number 8. Who is appointed as the brand ambassador of Ayurveda wellness brand Heal? Rohit Sharma, Sanju Samson, Virat Kohli, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is Indian cricketer Sanju Samson. So option B is correct here. Recently, Sanju Samson appointed as the brand ambassador of Ayurveda wellness brand Heal. Okay, you can see here the image of Sanju Samson. Okay, next question. Who has written a book titled Reporting India, My 70-Year Journey as a Journalist? Navneet Minot, N. Yadav, Prem Prakash, or option D, none of these? The correct answer here is option C, Prem Prakash. Recently, Prem Prakash has written a book named Reporting India, My 70-Year Journey as a Journalist. Okay, remember the name of the book and the author also. Okay. You can see here the cover page of the book, Reporting India, My 70-Year Journey as a Journalist. Next question. Who has launched a new feature, Fleets? Twitter, Facebook, WhatsApp, or option D, Instagram? The answer here is option A, Twitter. Recently, Twitter has launched a new feature named Fleets. Okay. And the headquarters of the Twitter is situated in Trivia. And the CEO of Twitter is Jack Dorsey. Jack Dorsey is the CEO of Twitter. Okay. As per this is our question of the day, and you have to answer in our comment section, and we will discuss this answer in our upcoming session. Okay. Our first question is, who has won 2020 Booker Prize for Fiction? Our second question is, Madhya Pradesh government has fixed minimum support price MSP for how many minor forest produce? Okay, please try to answer in the comment section. Thereby regular practice is done by you. It is very much helpful for you. If you like the session, then you can share it in your educational related group. Thereby many students got help, and those who first visit educational wing must subscribe the channel for the upcoming updates. Thank you for watching this session. Have a great day.